In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a single calendar from multiple databases in Notion. This is perfect if you're organizing content, journaling, project planning, or tracking tasks across different months or categories, but you still want everything to live inside one clean calendar view. Instead of jumping between separate databases, you'll be able to see everything in one place using Notion Calendar. This setup is simple, powerful, and works great in 2026 with the latest Notion updates. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to the Notion page where your databases live. This could be a dashboard, a workspace hub, or a personal planning page. The key thing here is that you already have multiple databases created. In this example, I'm using two databases, one for March and one for April. But this works the same way if you have weekly databases, project-based databases, or even different clients. Once you're on your page, take a moment to check your databases. Make sure each database has a date property. This is extremely important because Notion Calendar relies on date properties to display entries correctly. If a database doesn't have a date field, it won't show up on the calendar, so double-check that before moving on. Now, let's define what each database represents. In this example, database number 1 will be for March. All entries inside this database should already be assigned dates in March. Database number 2 will be for April, with entries dated accordingly. You don't need to merge the databases or change their structure. They can stay completely separate. Next, open a new browser tab and go to calendar.notion.so. This is Notion's dedicated calendar interface. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Add Notion Database. Click on that, and Notion will prompt you to select a database from your workspace. Start by selecting your March database. Once you click it, you'll immediately see March begin to populate with entries from that database. Each item will appear on the date assigned inside the database, automatically syncing in real time. Now, repeat the process. Click on Add Notion Database again. This time, choose your April database. As soon as you select it, April will populate with all of its entries. Just like that, you now have multiple databases feeding into one single calendar view. At this point, you can scroll through the calendar and clearly see that March is populated with entries from the March database, and April is populated with entries from the April database. Even though the databases are separate, the calendar brings everything together into one unified timeline. The best part is that this stays synced. Any changes you make inside the original databases, like editing dates or adding new entries, will instantly update inside Notion Calendar. You can also click on any calendar item to jump directly back to the original database entry. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a single calendar for multiple databases in Notion. This workflow is incredibly useful for staying organized without overcomplicating your setup. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, workflows, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.